There's another program called the Voluntary Disclosure Program where they prepare the returns and they give them to the government. The IRS then immediately audits them and they have to agree that that's the correct amount of tax. And then you also immediately get a penalty on the highest tax year. The good thing about it is if they accept you, you're not getting criminal charges. You are already getting a penalty, and then you have to be able to pay that amount off in a relatively short period. But a majority of people, don't want to take that route. There is a benefit there, which is, you're not going to have the criminal issue, but you're going to pay a lot back and you're going to immediately get audited. And that's going to be a lot of attorney's fees. That's not going to be a cheap, and it's probably going to be it's going to be a 2 or 3 year commitment.
Yeah.
Those two options have very different levels of risk associated with them. And there may be some risk and there may be some consequences to the choice that you make. My best advice is to advise you how to navigate that situation.
So if you're tired of struggling with the IRS or tax debt or worried about wage garnishments, bank levies, check out the link in my bio. We have 3 options available. If you are not quite ready to hire a lawyer, but you need to educate and empower yourself and you want to learn how to resolve your own tax problem yourself from a real tax attorney without spending thousands of dollars, check out my workshop, Tax Rescue 101, where I can show you how. If you need tax defense, you need to hire a tax lawyer, click Meet a Tax Lawyer. And lastly, if you want to speak with me one-on-one regarding the personal details to get individualized, tailored advice directly from myself, click Meet Alyssa. I know these problems seem overwhelming and stressful, but these are solvable problems. So let's get them solved today.